The lamp of the heart is in a glass. The glass is as it were a brightly shining star. If only the lamp of divine secrets be kindled in your inner self, this lightning shaft will emanate from the thunder clouds of meaning. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. Before starting this content, please subscribe and comment your unique views in section below. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. An address to the reader from a letter by Hazrat Abdul Qadir al-Jillani. Dear friend, your heart is a polished mirror. You must wipe it clean of the veil of dust which has gathered upon it, because it is destined to reflect the light of divine secrets. When the light from Allah, who is the light of the heavens and the earth, begins to shine upon the regions of your heart, the lamp of the heart will be light. The lamp of the heart is in a glass. The glass is as it were a brightly shining star. Then within the heart, the lightning shaft of divine discoveries strikes. This lightning shaft will emanate from the thunder clouds of meaning, neither of the east nor of the west. Light from a blessed olive tree, and throw light upon the tree of discovery, so pure, so transparent, that it sheds light though fire does not touch it. Then the lamp of wisdom is light by itself. How can it remain unlight when the light of Allah's secrets shine over it? If only the light of divine secrets shines upon it, the night sky of secrets is light with thousands of stars, and by the stars you find your way. It is not the stars that guide us, but the divine light. For Allah has decked the lower heaven with beauty in the stars. If only the lamp of divine secrets be kindled in your inner self, the rest will come either all at once or little by little. Some you already know, some we will tell you here. Read, listen, try to understand. The dark skies of unconsciousness will be light by divine presence and the peace and beauty of the full moon, which will rise from the horizon, shedding light upon light. Even rising in the sky, passing through its appointed stages as Allah has ordained for it mentions, until it shines in glory in the center of the sky, dispersing the darkness of headlessness. As Quran says, I swear by the night when it is still, by the glorious morning light. Your night of unconsciousness will see the brightness of the day. Then you will inhale the perfume of remembrance and repent in the early hours of the morning of unconsciousness, and regret your life spent in sleep. You will hear the songs of the morning nightingales, and you will hear them say, they were in the habit of sleeping but little by night, and in the hours of early dawn they were found praying for forgiveness. Allah guides to His light whom He pleases. Then you will see from the horizon of divine reason the sun of inner knowledge rising. It is your private sun, for you are the one whom Allah guides and are on the right path, and not the one He leaves in error. And you will understand the secret that it is not given to the sun to catch up with the moon, nor can the night outstrip the day. Each swims along in its appointed orbit. Finally, the knot will be united in accordance with the parables which Allah set forth for men. And Allah is the knower of all things, and the veils will lift and shells will shatter, reveals the fine beneath the coarsely, the truth will uncover her face. All this will begin when the mirror of your heart is cleansed The light of the divine secrets will fall upon it if you are willing and you ask for him, from him, and with him.